Can I have a glass of water, please? Can you help me with my net homework? Can I borrow your pen? Can you open the window, please? Can I use your phone? Can you tell me the time, please? Can you pass me the salt? Can you help me carry this bag? Can you explain this to me again? Can you give me directions to the library?
Shans. What is shana? Shak and varum. Directions. உங்களுக்கு சொல்லும்போது direction and வருது. Okay, you have to pay attention to that part. Directions. Other than that, everything was fine. Thank you. Next is Jancy again.
Can I have a glass of water, please? Can you help me with my homework? Can I borrow your pen? Can you open the window, please? Can I use your phone? Can you tell me the time, please? Can you pass me the salt? Can you help me to carry this bag? Can you explain this to me again? Can you give me directions to the library?
Okay, it was good, except for two words. This is again. Again, again. This is explain. And this is again. You see, A-I-N. A-I-N and ain. Game A-I-N and ain. Okay, explain. Again. Okay, explain again. Right. And then directions. You didn't say this correctly. The directions and the ish and the sound varale. Direction and varapag. Directions. Okay. Other than that, everything else was good. Thank you.
Can I have a glass of water, please? Can you help me with my homework? Can I borrow your pen? Can you open the window, please? Can I use your phone? Can you tell me the time, please? Can you pass me the salt? Can you help me carry this bag? Can you explain this to me again? Can you give me directions to the library?
Borrowன்னு சொன்னீங்க. நீங்க borrowன்னு சொல்லாதீங்கன்னு சொல்லணும்னா இப்ப எல்லாரும் borrowன்னு சொல்றீங்க. It's not borrow, it's not borrow, it's in between. Okay, now you remember the apps. I told you about a few online apps. Go to those apps, type this word and listen to the pronunciation. Okay, but நீங்க ரெண்டு மூணு தடவை சொல்லணும்னா இப்ப எனக்கு கிடக்குது வேற மாதிரி வர பாக்குது. எப்படியும் 36 ஹவர்ஸ்ல பாத்தியாருக்கு ஆங்கிலத்தை மறக்கடிச்சிடாம விட்டீங்கன்னா சரி. Okay, no, I'm just joking. Can I borrow your pen? So it's not borrow, it's not borrow. Okay, it's in between. Right, thank you very much.
Can I have a glass of water, please? Can you help me with my homework? Can I borrow your pen? Can you open the window, please? Can I use your phone? Can you tell me the time, please? Can you pass me the salt? Can you help me carry this bag? Can you explain this to me again? Can you give me direction to the library?
Can I have a glass of water, please? Can you help me with my homework? Can I borrow your pen? Can you open the
Stop
window,
for a moment,
please?
please. Please wait. You're reading very good, but your pronunciation for this word is a little bit off. You have to say can. Say it, please.
Can.
Can illa. Can. அதுதான் சரி. இன்னொரு சொல்லுங்க. Can. Can and ஒரு திருப்பி. Can. Yes. தண்ணி ஓடுற வாய்க்கால என்னன்னு சொல்றீங்க? நீங்க இந்த கழிவு தண்ணி ஓடுறது?
Can.
Yeah, exactly the same thing. Can. Correct. Okay.
Can.
Read it again. We'll start வாசிங்க. Thank you.
Can I have a glass of water, please? Can you help me with my homework? Can I borrow your pen? Can you open the window, please? Can I use your phone?
திருப்பி hand and மாறிட்டு. No. Just saying it. Can and வந்துச்சு. Start from number 4 again. Can.
Can you open the window, please? Can you tell me the time, please? Can you pass me the salt? Can you help me carry this bag? Can you explain this to me again? Can you give me directions to the library?
This one was not correct. Okay, you said it carry. It should be carry. And this word, you said it very, very nicely. Salt. Salt. Thank you very much for that. If you look at this, there are negative statements. Okay, this is very easy. I will only talk about it for just 2 minutes. I can and எனக்கு முடியும் அல்ல என்னால் முடியும். I cannot and என்னால முடியாது. Cannot என்கிறத சேர்த்து சொல்லும்போது can't. சரியா? இதுல பிரச்சனை என்னன்னா, நீங்க கேன்ங்கிறத சரியா ப்ரொனவுன்ஸ் பண்ணாட்டி, if you don't pronounce the word correctly, you cannot pronounce this word also. கேன்ங்கிறத சரியா உச்சரிக்க முடியாட்டி can't-ங்கிறதையும் சரியா உச்சரிக்க முடியாது. என்ன வித்தியாசம்டா? கேன் கடைசியில இந்த டி சவுண்ட் வராது. can't கடைசியில இந்த டி சவுண்ட் வரும். நம்மடாக்கள் பொதுவா ஏசியன்ஸ், அல்லது தமிழாக்கள், சிங்களாக்கள், மேபி a few மலையாளிஸ் அண்ட் ஹிந்தி ஸ்பீக்கிங் பீப்புள், அவங்க சொல்லும்போது கான்ட்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. சரியா? ஆனா ஆங்கிலம் பேசுறாக்கள் சொல்லும்போது கேன்ட்ன்றே சொல்லுவாங்க. கேன், can't. சரியா? can't வராது. That's the problem. So when you learn it this way and you listen to it the other way, you can't understand. இப்போ நான் can't சொன்னேன், can't வராது, can't சொல்லுவாங்க. So what you have to look for is the T sound at the end. Can, can't. Okay, I cannot and I can't சொல்லலாம். I can speak French and என்னால French பாச பேச முடியும். I can't speak French and என்னால French பாச பேச முடியாது. She cannot, she can't drive a car. They cannot, they can't come to the party tonight. He cannot, he can't swim. We cannot, we can't find our way home. Okay, there's very, very minute difference, can and can't. Okay, so you have to differentiate between those two sounds, can, can't. Right. So with this, I want to finish this class today. Tomorrow, I want to give you an exercise where one of you will ask a few questions like, can you do this? Can you do that? And the other person will give some answers. Yes, I can do this. No, I cannot do this. No, I can't do this. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to prepare a set of 10 questions and 10 answers. Okay. 10 கேள்வி, அந்த 10 கேள்விக்குரிய 10 பதில். The answers can be positive or negative. The positive answers means yes, I can. Negative answers means no, I cannot, or no, I can't. You write 10 questions. Okay, can you do this? Can you do that? And 10 கேள்வி எழுதுறீங்க. Right? 10 கேள்விக்கும் பதிலும் எழுதுறீங்க. இப்போ say for example, the first question is can you run fast? நீங்க ஃபாஸ்டா ஓட முடியுமான்ற கேள்வி. அந்த கேள்விக்கு நீங்களே பதில் எழுதுறீங்க. Yes, I can run fast. அது positive. No, I cannot run fast. அது negative. No, I can't run fast. Now it's time for comments, feedback, anything. Whoever can speak in English, try to say it in English.
Today's class is good. What level I will what level I will then today I can't attend yesterday's class continuously because internet issue. So today homework I can't do it. But today class is good. Okay.
Okay, I understood. Thank you very much. So you said you were not able to attend the full class yesterday, so you didn't do the homework today. That is okay. But if you can't follow up with the full class because of the technical trouble, you can always go back to that YouTube channel and check, because I'm uploading the videos there. Okay, you can go back to the YouTube channel and check for the content what we studied in the last class. Thank you very much.
Today class is good because I learned my vocabulary. Today class I lesson learn. I build some vocabulary. So video clips or some of vocabulary built news or storybook. And today, my pronunciation mistakes it's fine. So in future classes, I will try to good pronunciation. Thank you.
Class is very useful to me because I understand